Chapter 4 Analysis and Interpretation Quantitative Data. Inferential Statistics. T-test. Analysis of variance. Chi-square. Pearson correlation. Multiple regression. Conducting inferential analysis. Hypothesis testing. A procedure for making decisions about results by comparing an observed value of a sample with a population value to determine if no difference or relationship exists between the values. Confidence interval. The range of upper and lower statistical values that is consistent with observed data and is likely to contain the actual population mean. Effect size. A means for identifying the practical strength of the conclusions about group differences or about the relationship among variables. Conducting hypothesis tests. Identify a null and alternative hypothesis. Set the level of significance, alpha level, for rejecting the null hypothesis. Collect the data. Compute the sample statistic. Make a decision about rejecting or failing to reject the hypothesis. Selecting an appropriate statistic. 1. Determine the type of quantitative research question or hypothesis you want to analyze, example, compare or relate. 2. Identify the number of independent variables. 3. Identify the number of dependent variables. 4. Identify whether covariates and the number of covariates are used in the research question or hypothesis. Consider the scale of measurement for your independent variable, S, in the research question or hypothesis. Identify the scale of measurement for the dependent variables, example continuous or categorical. Determine if the distribution of the scores is normal or skewed. Example of normal curve. The normal curve of mean differences of all possible outcomes if the null hypothesis is true. Reject the null hypothesis. Extremely low probability values if null hypothesis is true. Critical region. Extremely low probability values if null hypothesis is true. Critical region.
Thank you for watching. Happy study. Please like and subscribe if this helped you.